I am going to show you how to create a word splash. Word splashes can be super fun. What you need to do is you're going to go to the word insert and you're going to do word art. Here you will put in one word that is whatever is meaningful to you. So on this one, the topic was voodoo. So maybe it was creepy to you. So you type in the word creepy, and then it comes up like this. What you can do is then edit the type of font. You can make it like by doing, as long as you have the blue highlight around it, you can change its color. You can make it bold. Ooh, I kind of like how that looks. You can fill it with a certain color, maybe that. I would put another word. Go back to insert, word art. I'm going to say it's interesting. I did find it to be interesting on how it was created. So I type in interesting and I hit enter, and then it will pop down here, and it's just going to be in the basic text, the Arial. You can make it small. You can make it long. It does not matter. Again, as long as it has the blue line around it, it's yours to change. Maybe you want to do, maybe this one. Interesting. And then you can fill it with whatever color you want. And then if you want to make the outline of it, wait, that's not the outline. I don't think. That would just be in a box. So a word splash is just you writing words that are meaningful to you after you have learned about this topic. There's no right or wrong answer. You just want to make sure you have at least probably, I would say, 4 different words in different colors and styles.